We are here thanks to our customers. Our customers are who give meaning to our daily work. Innovation is the way to give them the best service, and only giving them our best all time, including the peak season, is how will we demonstrate who SIVA is.
This sorter is boosting our capacity and efficiency to handle the peak season, because with this automation initiative we are not only improving the sorting process but also the number of the packing stations and the global outbound volumes.
Automating the sorting process, it has reduced the manual workload on the employees, and with the proper training, now the team feels confident on using the machine. It streamlined our workflows and it helped us maintain high-level service during peak periods.
Our new sorting automation delivers a consistent 24/7 operation during peak season. It delivers better accuracy than manual processes, reduce delays and errors, and increase our service quality without compromise.